कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर बैगिंग द शो। तो पहले तो ये बताइए कि जब ये शो ऑफर हुआ था आपको, आपका कैरेक्टर आपको बताया गया था, तो क्या आपने वक्त लिया और फिर आपने इस शो के लिए हाँ किया, या फिर किस तरीके का, मतलब किस तरह से हाँ किया आपने शो के लिए?
Frankly speaking, I was not expecting. I
Mm-hmm.
had projects lined up in Bhojpuri, and
Okay.
I was doing films there. Projects lined up there.
Mm-hmm.
Then when this was offered to me, I went for the mock shoot and I got selected. Then
Right.
when I was narrated this story, the most important thing that actually about the story that got me connected was generally जब भी किसी बिहारी या वैसे बात होती है तो people think कि okay बिहारी और ये सब भैये लोग होते हैं and they only they sell vegetables और रिक्शा चलाएंगे या वैसा कुछ, but this character of Yug, he is a literate Bihari and he's doing very well. So I actually wanted to portray that, and the reason behind that was कि मेरे सारे relatives, some are in Australia, some are in America, they're working there. They are from Bihar and they also feel shy कि यार हमेशा बिहारी और यूपी लोग की जब बात होती है तो ऐसी क्यों बात होती है, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. फिल्मों में भी when अमित जी और आमिर खान और whoever is playing that kind of a role, वो लोग फिर they go down and they show us that. So this is kind of a image breaker for Biharis, and
Right.
that was
Okay.
that is very
Okay, so can you just explain a bit about your character and what do you think is the most challenging part for you, when it comes to this character?
Actually, this character is me in real life.
Okay.
As if what I am very close to my family. The character of Yug Pratap Rajput, for him most important thing is his family, and the same way goes for me. For me also, it is the family that comes first, and at the same time, I am a bit orthodox in my thinking.
Okay.
Even after being literate, living in Mumbai, my thinking is also a bit orthodox. So that has a lot of connections with Aditya, and you are in some ways very similar.
Right. ये शो को हमने जितना देखा है, we have got to know that you end up marrying a girl who is a dancer. So ये जो पूरी, ये of course it is a love story. It is a love story with a message, but eventually it's a love story. तो किस तरह क्या इस शो से हम expect कर सकते हैं? Initially क्या storyline रहेगी?
This सबसे अच्छी बात इस शो की यही है, जो स्टोरी लाइन है, कि इसमें बताते हैं कि एक इंसान का जो जॉब होता है उसको ऐसे ही खराब माना जाता है. मतलब लोग सोचते हैं कि दैट इज रॉन्ग, बट वो इट्स देयर परसेप्शन, दे कैन बी रॉन्ग. तो जैसे मैं एक एग्जांपल दूंगा. व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग अ भोजपुरी फिल्म, हमारे बिहार में ना जनरली डांसिंग को गलत माना जाता है.
राइट.
यूपी में, बिहार में ऑर्थोडॉक्स जो हमारे पिताजी या दादाजी हैं. इवन व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग अ फिल्म, भोजपुरी फिल्म जब मैं कर रहा था, तो my dad, Ajay Ojha ji, he was director and producer of the film.
Okay.
So when choreographer came up with the ideas, he said नहीं, हमारा हीरो डांस नहीं करेगा, वो खाली खड़ा रहेगा. हीरो तो you can think कि भाई साहब आप फिल्म बना रहे हो, आपका हीरो है, तो हीरो तो डांस करेगा. तो वो एक माइंडसेट है कि डांसिंग इज रॉन्ग. क्योंकि लॉन्ग बैक when dancing was a profession, they used to do in front of Rajas Maharajas, so they thought कि अच्छा हम लोग दूसरों को entertain कर रहे हैं. Nowadays the mindset has come कि मैं अपनी खुशी के लिए नाच रहा हूँ. I am not dancing for somebody else. So that way things have changed, and slowly and gradually people will like we are actually learning from the Westerns. All the culture, everything means whatever wrong that we have been following for these years, like superstitions, and there are so many things, so many cultures that were going, so many traditional things that were wrong. We have now understood that जो हम लोग कर रहे थे वो गलत था और अब सब सही कर रहे हैं. The same way we will not judge somebody by his or her profession. तो ये इस शो के जरिए हम लोग बताएंगे.
Okay, I'm going to ask you last two question. How is it working with Shruti? I'm sure बहुत ज़्यादा time नहीं हुआ रहेगा, but because
No,
it's a love, yeah, but because it's a love story, how's it working? Yeah, how's it working with Shruti?
It's working absolutely great. She's very, very hardworking, and it was very what do you say? It was very easy to get along with her. She is very hardworking. Me too. We first of all think that works come first. So
Yeah.
on set, we are both of us when we are given the lines, we are actually rehearsing the lines, or most of the time she is dancing as she is playing an Achanya in the show. So
Right.
she's like always ready to do the rehearsals and as many takes as you want. So she is actually a fun and really great co-actor to work with.
Right, right. Okay, I don't know if you're aware or not, but Shruti, prior to this, Shruti did a show called Gadbandhan, same with colors.
Yes,
And
yes.
yeah,
Before I was doing the show, I was not knowing that. Then
okay.
Once the posters came, then my
Ah.
mom and my other, I actually don't
Yeah.
I don't watch TV serials. So they told me, okay, you're working with her, and then I scrolled through her Instagram ID, and then I came to know that she's done the India's Next Superstar and this Gadbandhan as well. So then I came to know about it.
Yeah, so my question is, when it comes to serial, fans are very sensitive, जो उनके pairs की chemistry होती है, and वो नहीं देख पाते हैं किसी actor के साथ दूसरे pair को. Like Shruti had a very great chemistry with Abrar Kazi in the show Gadbandhan. So अगर उसकी बात की जाएगी, तो किस तरह से fans को tackle करेंगे जब उनके कुछ आएंगे कि नहीं हमें तो श्रुति को उनके साथ ही देखना है, या इस तरह के सब जब comments आएंगे, how are you going to tackle it?
It's okay. Fans have their own perception, their own world. They want it that way. And I was like, when in my childhood, I was a huge fan of Shah Rukh Khan and Aishwarya Rai. And when I saw Josh, I was actually heartbroken कि ये दोनों भाई बहन क्यों बन रहे हैं.
Right.
So it's okay. I like them in Josh. I watched Josh for 25-50 times in my life, and then again I watched Devdas for 100-150 times. So it's basically the show that counts, that matters. And it will be once our show is on air, then the fans will, once they see our chemistry on screen, they will probably forget what she's done in the past, and they'll love our work on screen.
Okay. Last question I wanted to ask, you're also working with Monalisa. She has also been a very good part of, Bhojpuri industry and of course the TV industry. How's it working with her?
We've been friends since long time, and in Bhojpuri, I had produced a film in which she had done a item number.
Okay.
So we have been friends since a long time, and this is the first time that we are actually sharing the screen together. That's it. Because before that, but we've been knowing each other very nicely, and her husband is a very good friend of mine, Vikrant Singh, and like me, Vikrant Singh, and there's another friend, Pravesh Lal. So we three are the three idiots of our Bhojpuri industry.
Okay.
Whenever we get time, we spend time together.
Right.
So Monalisa ji is actually we've been very well together. We've been very good friends together, and it was like just like we've been working together since a long time, and we're just doing another shot. So
okay. So lastly, fans ko jate, see, every day one or other show is definitely launching on TV. Competition is tough. Just lastly, one reason for which you think your show is going to stand out and it is going to work in terms of TRP and the content, and why the fans needs to watch your show.
I think the most important thing about this show is that every episode will carry a song, right? And they are actually going to get the entertainment of a film in a television show. That is the most, that is the biggest USP that this show is going to give to them.
Right.
There's drama, there's emotion, there's romance, and So all the emotion. This is basically a commercial cinema that they are going to get in a show. So that is the best thing.
Okay.
To watch it for that. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Since we know in COVID, the cinemas are closed.
Yeah.
And so we thought we'll bring the cinema to your home by this show.
Right. So on this note, thank you so much, Aditya, and my best wishes to you for the show, and may the show do wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.
Please watch and please let me know how did you
definitely,
like it.
Definitely, Aditya. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm Rizqal Ahluwalia and you're watching Glitz Vision.
Hi, this is Avinash Rekhi and you're watching Glitz Vision USA.